Hello guys, there's something wrong with my Ps3 Super Slim. First off, you're gonna hear the sound of it. I already restart everything and hear what's if I'm turning it on. So make that sound the whole time, and if I do this, it will stop. Now you hear now nothing. There we go. If you hear it, can you hear it? I don't know. And if I turn it around, it'll make this sound. Just like a hoverboard. Next thing, if I can also, oh shit, can also not open this up, stuck either. Can hear this thing, can hear it clicking, but you cannot get it off it. God damn it. God damn it. And you hear that sound. Skip this. So if you know how I can fix this, please do it in the comment below. It will be very helpful for me, and I'm gonna upload some new videos later.